Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Kumar Sharma and I am the teacher at Kaushik Dhwani teaching music from 4 plus years. I have been teaching music for the age group of 4 to age 80. So I'll tell you the benefits of learning music. So learning guitar offers numerous benefits for both children and adults. It improves concentration, memory, hand-eye coordination and discipline through regular practice. Playing the guitar also enhances creativity and provides a healthy way to express emotions. For children, it supports cognitive development, boosts confidence, and develops fine motor skills. For adults, it serves as a stress reliever, keeps the mind active, and provides a rewarding hobby that promotes lifelong learning. Overall, learning guitar not only develops musical skills but also contributes to personal growth, confidence, and mental health. So now I'll take you to the introduction and I'll give you the introduction of the guitar. So in this guitar we have three parts: the head, the neck, the body. On the head, these are the tuning gears, tuning keys, or tuning pegs. This we use to tight or loose the strings, which tunes the strings. On the neck, the flat surface is called fretboard. These are the frets: first fret, second, third, fourth till 21. On the body, this is the sound hole, and here this is the bridge. Across the guitar, we have the strings. From the left hand side, we use our fingers to press the strings on the frets and to hold them as a notes. On the right hand side, we pluck with this pick, which is also known as plectrum. So we use this to pluck like this. And the strings which we count is from bottom. We count first string, second string, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So this is the way of counting the strings. From the bottom only we should count, and to count the frets we count from first. Here first fret, second, third, fourth. So this is how we count the frets.